In this video, I want to show you how to download elevation data from NASA EarthData portal. So to do that, open your browser and open a new tab. Then search for earthdata.nasa.gov and hit the enter key. This will load the EarthData page, and here you can see the interface. To download data from here, come to data, this menu called data, click to expand it, then come to EarthData search, click on it. This will open the data page, and here we have a lot of data you can actually download from this site. We have various data. If you scroll down, you can see various data available that you can download from these sites. However, our interest is in elevation data. But let me close this page. But before you can download data here, you have to log in. So here, come and log in. And if you don't have an account, you can create a free account with EarthData. So if I click on login, you will be requested to enter your username and password. Then click on login. This will redirect you to EarthData portal, and once you are redirected and log in, you can see here that I'm logged in. So it will reload the page again. So then let me close this page. Now the next thing to do is to pan and zoom to your area of interest. For the purpose of this exercise, let me select a particular location. Let me zoom in to this area and use it for demonstration purpose. So let's assume I want to download data for this very portion of this area. There are various options to specify your study area or area of interest. For example, you can specify using polygon. You can actually specify using spatial rectangle, and you can even specify using spatial circle, and also you can specify using coordinates. And also there is provision to upload your shapefile to specify your area of interest. So let me just pick a rectangle, and when you pick it and draw a rectangle, it will capture the coordinates here. So if you pick rectangle, just click and move your cursor down and click again. So it will draw a rectangle and capture the coordinates here. So after you have specified your area of interest, it is time to specify the data you want to download. However, if you are not satisfied, you can actually delete that very area. Then you can pick another tool like a polygon and draw a polygon around your study area, or to specify your study area. When you click the first point, it will complete the polygon. Then now we can now specify our data. Now if you come here, you can filter your data, and there are so many filters here. You can download your data using platform. If you click here, you can see different platforms from where you can download your data. Similarly, you can use instruments. You can see different instruments from which we can use to download our data. Also, you can use organization. If I click on this organization, you can see different organization whose data we can download. For instance, let's download for Shuttle Radar Topography Mission, that is SRTM. So if I want to download for it, I'll just click on Shuttle Radar Topography Mission to select it. Then the next thing is to specify the data format. If I click here, you can see different data formats available. You can see them here. So let's choose HGT, for example, HGT, and come here to expand this table so that we can see the data available for that very location we specify. We can see different data available here. So for example, you can see NASA shuttle radar topography mission global 1 arc second. You can see it here. This one is 1 arc second. And if I scroll down, you can see other ones. This one is 3 arc seconds. You can actually take your time to read about this to know the difference between these data available. But let's download for this one. If I click on it, it will load the download options for me. So if I zoom out, I'm sure that it covers my study area. So it will load the download option from which I can download this data. Now, to download this data, click on download file. Once I click on download file, it will redirect me to download page. Once it successfully redirects me, it will automatically start the download just like this. You can see that the download has started. So once the download is done, let's check where the download is. If I open the folder, here is the downloaded file. So the next thing to do is to right click and extract it from file. So it has been extracted. Here is it. I can open any GIS software to visualize it. For example, let me open ArcGIS. To visualize it, just click on add data. Now I'll have to navigate to that very folder where I downloaded the file. So let me navigate to my folder. It is here, and here is it. Just select it and click on add. It will create the pyramid for it and then display it in ArcGIS just like this. You can see my elevation data. Then I can change the color scheme by clicking here. Click here and select any color of your choice. For instance, let me select this and click on OK. So you can see my elevation data. If I right click the layer, then come to properties. Let me check the properties of this data. Come to source. You can see the cell size. You can see information about this data. You can see the spatial reference system. It is geographic coordinate system. And also you can see the formats. You can see the formats is SRTM HGT. So you can see it here. So if I close this page, you can see we have successfully downloaded elevation data from EarthData. Thank you for watching.